Hi, this is Gokhan. I'm the sales rep for Würth UK. We are supplying chemical anchors, drill bits, cutting discs and silicone for SunStudio. This is the neutral silicone for glazing applications. You see the lid here. If the lid is transparent, it means the silicone is transparent. When it's white, that means the silicone is white. I always recommend the engineers to try our products, and if they have any problems with the application, we always support them with our design engineers, with our design software. With SunStudio, I'm really proud of what they do. I'm really happy to see that our products are working. For example, think about the construction of a building. You just see the view is beautiful, but I just think about the screws and the silicones and adhesives that make the building together. Thank you.